If you're considering Drip versus ActiveCampaign for your marketing automation needs, you're probably wondering which one can truly take your business to the next level. In this video, we'll compare the two, break down their strengths and weaknesses, and help you make an informed decision. Stay tuned because at the end, I'll be revealing a powerful alternative that could be the game changer you need. Let's start with Drip. Drip is an excellent choice for e-commerce businesses. It's known for its strong integrations with platforms like Shopify, Magento, and BigCommerce. If you're selling products online and need advanced segmentation and personalized customer journeys, Drip's automation workflows are solid. They offer a ton of flexibility when it comes to email personalization and automation. But here's the thing, while Drip shines in e-commerce, it's not necessarily the best pick for businesses outside that niche. If you're running a service-based business or need more than just email marketing, it could feel a bit limited. Drip's interface can also be overwhelming for beginners and, honestly, the pricing can get a bit steep if you have a large list. Next thing, ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign is incredibly popular and for good reason. It's one of the most powerful all-in-one marketing automation tools available. Whether you're in e-commerce, B2B, or a service-based business, ActiveCampaign adapts well. It offers CRM features, email marketing, and automation all in one package. The automations here are really robust, and you can create very complex customer journeys. Plus, ActiveCampaign's segmentation and tagging features are top tier, which means you can send really targeted campaigns. However, no software is perfect. ActiveCampaign's reporting, while detailed, can sometimes be a bit confusing. The user interface isn't always the most intuitive, and some people find the learning curve to be steep, especially when you start using advanced features. While ActiveCampaign is more affordable than Drip for smaller businesses, once you scale, pricing can rise quickly as well. Now, the fourth thing, let's talk about integrations. Both Drip and ActiveCampaign have strong integrations with major platforms. But if you're looking for a wider range of integrations, ActiveCampaign might have the edge here. It supports integrations with a wide variety of third-party apps, making it easier to connect your tools and streamline your marketing efforts. Moving on to customer support. ActiveCampaign definitely offers better customer support, hands down. Whether it's via live chat, email, or even their support documentation, you'll get quicker, more reliable assistance. Drip, on the other hand, while decent, doesn't quite match up in terms of support responsiveness. When it comes to ease of use, Drip's learning curve is definitely steeper, and it could take a while to get familiar with the interface. ActiveCampaign, however, balances powerful features with a user-friendly design, making it a bit easier for newcomers to pick up. But here's where I'll get critical. Both of these tools have one flaw in common: pricing. For small businesses or startups, both can be hard to justify, especially if you're just starting to build your email list or don't have a huge budget to work with. And as your business grows, scaling with either of these tools can get pricey, which means you could quickly find yourself paying more for features that you don't need or use often. So, what's the best alternative? After trying both Drip and ActiveCampaign myself, if you're looking for the best value for your marketing automation, without breaking the bank, I recommend checking out the software linked in the description. This tool offers a powerful free trial, exclusive benefits for viewers like you, and could be the perfect fit for your needs, especially if you want to avoid the frustration of steep learning curves and rising costs. So while Drip and ActiveCampaign are great in their own rights, if you want to streamline your marketing automation with a more flexible and cost-effective option, I suggest giving the first link in the description a try. You'll be glad you did.